Welcome to Togile CRM. In this video, we'll show you how to convert a lead into a deal, contact, or company with just a few clicks. Let's get started. Start by clicking the Leads tab in the top navigation bar. From the list, open the lead you want to convert by clicking on it. In the lead detail view, click the Action button on the left-hand side. Then select Convert. Then tick the box as per your preference. Once done, this opens the conversion panel. You'll see some fields are already pre-filled. These values are pulled from the lead. Fill in any missing details to complete the conversion form. Click on Product and select a product from the drop-down list. Afterwards, click on Pipeline. Afterwards, choose a pipeline. Next up, click on Pipeline Stage. Then choose a pipeline stage. Click on Actual Date. Then choose a date. After, choose a time. You can choose to convert your lead into a deal, contact, or company, or all three. Once ready, click Convert to complete the process. After conversion, you'll see a new section in the lead view, Related Deal Info. You can also find the new deal, contact, or company created in their respective modules. By default, the converted deal is placed in the pipeline with the stage set to 1, helping you track successful conversions automatically. That's how you convert leads into deals in Togile CRM. For more tutorials, subscribe to our channel and check the description for related videos.